Rumble tutorial for beginners, how to make money on Rumble. Hey everyone, welcome back on today's tutorial video. We will be talking about Rumble and how can you start making money from Rumble for beginners. So without further ado, let's dive into our particular topic today. So first, what is Rumble? Rumble is more like a YouTube platform. It's a video hosting site, but compared to YouTube, Rumble has fewer restrictions and a simpler algorithm. Rumble launched back in 2013, contains viral videos that are commonly seen on YouTube and other social networking sites. But Rumble has looser restrictions on what constitutes a violation of its video policy, which makes this platform good. And Rumble become more popular now because they are now being recognized and a lot of people are now talking about this platform and they experience rapid growth since back 2020 until now. And now they have more than 30 million users. And Rumble do have partners like MTV, Xbox, Yahoo, MSN, and many more. Due to the fact that these platforms partnerships are big companies, it is paying users to upload their videos for those partners to use, and you can earn more here. And compared to YouTube, here on Rumble, there is no need for you to wait and get more subscribers to start earning. When you first download your video here and you get viewers, and those Rumble partners like your video, then you can start getting money. That's what makes this platform different from YouTube. So before we discuss more about how to make money on Rumble, let's first make sure we already created an account. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply create an account here, click sign in, and click the create an account now button. Just choose free account and provide the following information like name, username, password, and email. And address below are just optional if you like to provide. And then you provide your birth date. Then once done, click register. Once you register, just check your email to activate your account. And once activated, you may now enjoy watching videos, create your channel, upload videos, and earn money. So let me log in first. So this is the Rumble dashboard. And over here, like YouTube, you can see different Rumble videos like viral videos, news, podcast, and many more. So from here on your left top corner, there's a three lines button. You can locate your options for your feeds where you can see the videos of the channel that you subscribes. And for you to learn what videos to create or to upload, you can check this editor pick videos and viral videos. These are the videos that most viewed here on Rumble that you might consider to upload to, and you have different ways to do with your videos and how you can receive your earnings according to your own choice. And that we will be discussing later on. But for now, to upload videos, just simply go to the upload button. And over here, you have two options to do live stream or upload video just like YouTube. So for now, let's click upload video. And you just need to add your video here. And once done, write the title of your video and write your video description. And it's better that you also need to include keywords on your video description for you to get more viewers and in order for your viewers also to easily search your video. And then you can add thumbnails and you can add tags. It's optional, but it's a must. If you want to get viewers and earn money, then you must add tags as many as you can and make sure it's related to your videos for your video to become searchable for your viewers. You can also schedule the upload of your video or you can just upload right away. Let's click upload now. And over here, you have four options for licensing, like what do you want your video to be uploaded. So first, you have the video management, the exclusive. From these options, you are letting or you are giving all your rights to Rumble to use your video and let Rumble become like your agent. And you can receive all the net earnings from your content or video, less the agency fee that is equal to 40%. And the next one is excluding YouTube. It's just same with the first option, but only excluding YouTube. It means that Rumble cannot share your videos to youtube.com. And third one, Rumble only. It means that you want your video to be only on Rumble platform. So Rumble cannot use your video to other platforms or promote your videos to their business partners. But you can still earn from your viewers here on Rumble. And the last one is personal use. This option will not monetize your video. Once you uploaded your video, Rumble will not do about it. So it means that you will not also generate any income. So those are the licensing option that you have. And once you selected the license you like, here at the bottom, just fill out the other form and make sure that you will check these two boxes here under terms and conditions, because these are the sign that you agree to their terms and condition. And once done, then submit. Once submitted, when you choose the video management option 1 or option 2, then your video will automatically be available on Rumble, and it can be shared to other social media account as long as it's not contains illegal material, sexual material, or anything that violates any law. But for the second option, that excluding YouTube, then Rumble cannot share your video to YouTube, but Rumble will be sharing it to other social media platforms. So by the way, just a quick info on how the platform generate income. Maybe you are wondering about it. So what's really going to happen here is that the user will just provide Rumble video or content, and Rumble will monetize your video to a different social media platform like to YouTube or to their third party partners. And as we talked earlier, that you have the options to select from about your video licensing. So Rumble will depends on what you choose from those licensing. If you allow Rumble to share your video, then they will be sharing it to the other social media platform for it to generate income. But if you don't want to, then Rumble will not also share it. So once Rumble shared your video to other social media platform like YouTube and to their third party partners, and once it generate income, then that income will directly go to you. So Rumble earning from your content will be given to you as the creator of the content, but they will get an agency fee of 40% from the total net earnings of your content. So that's how Rumble generate income and give users some earnings. So I guess that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.